Look at all that silicone.
Why, thank you. I just had stuff.
Andre, everybody.
We know these
Double
heads,
stuff.
These heads were reworked at some point. We don't know how long. We can find out how long ago that was. But
Yeah, I think there is.
We got Grant with a hammer.
Showing around.
We got Oh Girl with a wrench.
Oh, girl.
Hot damn.
Look at this motherfucker. It's going.
ah! What was that?
Okay,
Dropping
so my
shit.
tattoo on.
Yeah, me too.
You do?
I still believe in you.
You guys are like
I thought it
thug
was a
life in
share
it.
thing.
No, it's the Macy's Christmas sale.
Oh, they stamp you when you go in or something?
We did a salt and sea cruise this weekend, and we all gave ourselves tattoos before we went.
It's like a gang initiation.
Yeah.
It's like a really low core gang.
This gang ain't gonna
Yeah.
fight. We're just gonna go close the garage door and
The only thing we
make a
fight
drink.
about is interpretation.
And which beverage to have next.
Oh, yeah.
And we usually
Truck
just
full
say,
of banquet.
Ooh, yeah, that works. Truck full of banquet's always good.
Did you send him that picture?
He said, "Is this your cousin?" I'm like, "Damn it! I don't know. I have relatives out there." But
He could have been a tourist like us.
He's got
Fill
that bowl.
to
Yeah.
All right, it's
level
almost up.
with
Coming?
automatic
Like crap cruise.
transmission fluid type A. They couldn't
you ready?
just go around with it facing.
no, because people are too stupid to.
I can't.
It wouldn't
Well,
have been
it needs
visually
to be.
pleasing.
That's less visually
Like-
pleasing to me.
There.
Like this big honking thing on
Got
top
it?
of the car is visual.
Ooh,
Back in
ooh!
the old days, it was-
Exhaust manifold! Yay!
Oh, what's that thing? Is that the O2 sensor?
It's a hot air
It came from
tube.
Safeway.
For the choke.
Safety powers. Safety powers.
That oil
Do we
looks
need-
lovely.
Are these disposables, Bobby? I would imagine.
What are they? Oh yeah, they're
gaskets.
the gaskets. Yes, the clippies. No.
Should this whole wiring thing just come off?
Yeah, just undo them here.
Really? What kind of a bounty has a rack? Ours does.
Pull straight up.
It's just like the most power F-50 with a box. Yeah. And I was like, it's not the rack that's leaking. It's everything else.
Keep, boss.
Chit can.
Probably time to get a new one of those.
I think I have a set of those actually.
Do
Over
you
in-
want to check them, or do
She's
you
got-
want to make sure you ask Chuck?
I mean, they're.
Because he probably wants to.
Should we chuck them or chuck or not chuck them?
We ordered the right.
I don't think we'll find it.
How much? Oh, look at that. Half the gasket stayed on there.
I've got nail head gaskets. I think over in that cup because I have weird shit.
Well, yeah.
I hoard weird shit. I hoard weird shit. All right. Now we need to get this bracky off.
What is it? Oh, okay, this is from the manifold.
Get these right here, oh girl.
Bag, or are you
If you undo these two,
We're putting it all in, and then
Down
we'll
here?
do
Yeah.
them.
then you'll be able to pull the whole thing off, I think.
This used to be our nail head.
Oh wait, you did bring us bags of cash and separate them. Here.
We sold that to our friend. He put new tires and he just put a new top on it. It hasn't had. Glenn has owned this before me, so over 20 years, and did nothing with it. It was a 401, and it drove fantastically. It just needed to be redone. So then we sold it to a cop friend of ours, and he's already put a new top on it, and new tires.
Oh, yeah.
I collect
It was such a great job.
Are you gonna do some Ugga Dugga? There it goes. You know, I have a cordless one of those that's a lot less annoying.
I like it this way.
I remember when I was like 5 and I was in the shop with my grandpa and I was like, what does this do? Ah! It scared the shit out of me.
You about wet yourself, didn't you?
I'd probably pooed a little.
Oh gosh, there goes some more.
Oh God, water.
It comes out.
My.
Oh, girl gets a bath.
That's also a drain plug.
Well,
She's multi-featured.
Oh yeah.
At least that's more.
That bolt hole went to water.
I get like everywhere I go is coolant.
Yeah.
Were they tight?
I dumped it on the what's his name's head last week.
Yeah, don't worry about
radiator
it.
hose.
Okay, we're going to have to remove these rocker shafts.
Easy.
1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. Off it comes.
Pop them. Somebody.
Didn't someone say
No,
that?
I said rocker shaft.
That's the shaft.
This is a shaft.
Someone called it a fold.
No, you actually have, what the fuck do you call those things now? These things. They're not fulcrums.
We should use the.
I like those with rollers on them. Oh, that's gonna end
No,
badly.
that'll round it out.
Yeah,
use the box.
don't use the open end ever
Yeah.
until it's already loose.
Now, do you see this? See this?
Oh, that's the.
Oh, let me see the amount of silicone on the bottom of that. Because I like to have a bitch fit.
Is this supposed to move?
I don't know. What is it,
What
Bobby?
the-
I don't know. Not that well versed on these.
That's supposed to have a
Isn't it supposed to have
flap
a
in there.
flap?
Yeah, and that heats up, and that helps heat up the choke, and then that spring heats up and it opens. So somebody just went bang, bang, boom, and made it not work no more. So we get to fix that. Ooh, silicone. Yuck.
Yeah, like put all the stuff.
What are we doing over here?
We're taking off a
Can I hand
rocker
this?
shaft.
Paul, I'll get you a
Did you, hey, Chuck? You gotta see. Oh, hey, show that to Chuck. In that manifold. The
All the goop on it?
no, the heat valve. Somebody hammered it open.
No, I know that.
Yeah, it's bad.
What do we call this thing? Rocker arms?
Rocker arm hardware.
Thank you.
Hold on. Let me show you some hillbilly engineering.